First and foremost, the first step is to choose a brokerage for you to trade on. Choosing a brokerage may be a difficult option for new traders. I will try my best to outline the pros and cons of each brokerage. E-Trade actually offers a lot of value to both beginner investors and frequent traders with a lot of resources, a great trading platform, and tools to help you create a well-rounded portfolio. Robinhood provides free stock, options, ETF and cryptocurrency trades, and its account minimum is $0. TD Ameritrade is excellent for active traders and beginner investors, and it provides a great trading platform, $0 commissions on online stock, on options trades, and a great selection of mutual funds. There is a 65-cent fee per contract. Subscribe and click on the link in the description to sign up for any of these accounts.